Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it with the camera. I call it with the cell. I can't stand that click click. It drives me crazy. And as you can see, it's very sunny. I got up around 7 o'clock, and can you believe that? I call it the sun. The temperature was 82 degree. I said, oh my God, this is gonna be one hot day. Look at this. I got my living room fan on. I had the bedroom. I shut the bedroom so to let it rest a little bit. Then I put the two ones in the living room. And that's the way I work. Okay, I'm sorry about the movement. I don't know if I could fix that in YouTube. I want to show you something. Look how beautiful. These are my peppers from seeds. The one I planted. Let me see what date. The 18th. June 18th. And look how fast they grew. It was another one, but I think one of the lizards jumped on it and broke it. So I just threw it out. But look how beautiful is they coming. And I already watered them this morning early. That's why I got up early. As you could see, my onion is not cut up like, let's say this one. It's not that cut up. It'll grow, and then it's gonna turn like, for instance, this is gonna be, I think, two. I'm not sure if it's two or three, but when it becomes big, and they have how you call it? They have I call that. Oh, they have their roots on each side. Then they could be separated. Very careful. Don't do like I did the last time that I pulled it. As you can see, my pepper. Haha, look at that. Beautiful peppers. I'm leaving them alone. I'm putting them all here in the sun. I'm going to take this for, I call it serious things, like my peppers. I got a whole bunch of peppers there. When they grow up more, I'm going to, I'm going to transplant them. And I'm going to leave them here. So how beautiful there is. There's still more peppers up there. I don't know if, let me see if, I can't see hardly because of the sun. Okay, I think there you could see a small one right there growing. And there's some more in the top growing also. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you another thing. Hold on. I ain't gonna be able to put it on hold and then how you call it? Then I'm telling you, oh, okay, now I'm doing this. No, I ain't gonna be able to do that. So look at this. This is my tomato. It's not gonna grow that big. I found this because I had a American flag and it got messed up. So I decided to take this and take it out. But I'm gonna see if I could fix it up and put another pole. Cause for how you call it, for election day, I want to come out with my American flag. So that's gonna cause a lot of people a lot of but I don't really care. So there you see the, how you call it, okay, there you go. There you see the buds, they trying to come out. We got a few of them. There's a baby one right, okay, I can't see it. I know it's right here somewhere, but they're so small. Anyway, they're getting how you call it, they're getting flowers and stuff. And let me show you the rest of the place. Hold on, because I'm gonna do one of my real fast. Okay, so these are my lettuce. I feel like eating lettuce. I think I got tomatoes, and I think I'm gonna peel it off again. I peeled it off, and I ate lettuce with tomatoes the other day, so I left them to grow again. And I call it, my flower that I bought is still beautiful. And I got two babies, three babies growing there from orchids. And I have a problem. I'm gonna ask you guys, what do you think? These are supposed to be purple. How you call it? Purple eggplant, but they're green. They look green. Look at the bottom one. Let me see if I could get close to the bottom one. Right there. They look green. Is there such thing as green eggplant? I know there's white. I know there's purple. I bought black, and they're starting to come out little by little. And I wanted to show you my daughter, my granddaughter. Well, she's like my daughter anyway. She gave me seeds since she saw that I liked it. I call it lettuce. I do love lettuce, and I love tomato, and that's why I'm planting tomato also. So let's pull this up a little bit, and there, look at that, look at that. I don't know if you can see them. They're growing. They say when you put paper, they grow faster, and I believe it because the other one, I'm gonna show you the other one. This one is already pulling out, and this one I planted it. I don't remember what date. It hasn't been. It's been less than a week. That I know, cause like 2 days after my granddaughter bought them, I started planting them. So they don't have that much time, and they're already growing. This one I bought it from the grocery when I bought the other plants, and look at this, nothing. They're absolutely nothing. But I put the paper yesterday, so I think that's why there's nothing there. And the other thing I want to show, what was it? Okay, I forgot. Oh, that's not my lettuce. Wait a minute. This is not my lettuce. This is my broccoli. I don't eat broccoli, but my daughter loves them. And she goes, Mom, please, why can't you just make one for me? So I said, okay, I'll make you one. I don't want to knock that down. This is the lettuce. Let's see how is it doing. Nope, nothing yet. I put the paper yesterday because I said, wait a minute, let me put a paper there. Supposedly you put how you call it? Newspapers. But you could put virtually anything. You know, I put this regular hand wipes. You know, not hand wipes that has how you call it? You know, things on it. You know, like soap or anything. This is just plain drying your hands type of thing. So my main worry is my eggplant. I don't know if I should eat them or I shouldn't eat them. Look, they look pretty though. But I don't know. I don't know if you could eat those things. You know. So if anybody knows, is there such thing as a green, or do they later turn purple? Because it never happened. It has never has happened to me. So I don't know if this is normal or not. I don't know how to edit, so I'm sorry that everything's gonna go as it is. But I think it's better than getting, how you call it, having this click click sound all the time. You know, it's really bad. So that's beautiful. And look at my corianders. They're growing. And the little ones that I told you about, they are growing too. This one, look how beautiful it is already. You know, this is beautiful. This one, no, this one was is one that I planted. I let it dry out too much. And this one is starting to give a side shoot. It's, you know, in the bottom. They grow it in the bottom and then they pull it up. You know, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna leave it there. And there's a few of them. I can't seem. Oh, here goes another one, right there. You know, so they're growing a few of them. Plus, there are little babies hanging around. So I hope that becomes cucumbers. Not cucumbers, corianders. And I'm gonna leave this one out so it could help us out. You know, that's the strongest plant there. So I'm gonna let that one just throw seeds all over it. Because I'm dying to have, how you call it, this whole thing filled up. Totally filled up. They like to be cuddled up, so it'll be pretty good. And I also planted more coriander in one of these cups. So let's see what happens with it. And here goes my, how you call it, my strawberries. One of the strawberries died. One of them, you know, it was two baby ones. But this one's doing pretty good. And I'm trying to keep, you know, myself alert. Here goes another baby one that is growing. And I think there was someone over here. I can't remember where. But anyway, there was another one growing there that I think is also, how you call it? A strawberry plant. And I'm going to go real fast again. Whoop. Okay. So, these are the kale. I planted some over there. This one ain't making it too good. I don't know what happened to it. And I still got this, and it's starting to spread out, spreading the wings. I already put water on it. This grew. I don't know what it is, but it's growing. So, everything is looking good. And here I put, I don't know if you could see it there, the little spot there. I put the garlic and our garlic that it was there. There was two garlics there, and I put one in water, but I think I'm going to take it out and plant it here because the water, the heat of the is just boiling the roots. So I'll probably take it out from there. So saying this, people, oh, and this is getting better. You can see that it's starting to get green again. And well, I hope everything works. I'm gonna plant more plants and see what happens. So God bless you all until next time.